Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you everyone?
We are fine and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Hopefully everyone fit and fine. Today we will go to learn two English sentence structure. Okay?
Yes.
The first structure is I have to. I have to play. আমার খেলতে হবে. The next structure is I have to be. I have to be a player. আমাকে একজন খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে. Please, everyone repeat after me, okay?
Yes.
I have to play. I have to be a player. I have to teach. I have to be a teacher. I have to fly. I have to be a pilot. I have to drive. I have to be a driver. I have to write. I have to be a writer. I have to be a writer. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Welcome to Afra Academy. Welcome to class 1 of Afra Academy. Assalamu alaikum.